FE mo.
Kani siya S25
FE. Ang fan edition
FE.
ni Juan.
Sama na edition.
Fan edition ni S25. Mas bigger screen na siya punta ni S25 pero mas higher specs si S25. Okay.
Ay, ang aspect niya.
Yes.
Okay. And how much is this?
44,990 for 256. For 512 is 53,990. Naturally, ang iyang memory.
Memory? Okay. Yan ay 5, ano eh, 500.
Nag-glass siya ko 11.
Okay. And then this one,
256 lang available.
256. And then, how much?
51,990.
Plus discount?
Discount 3,048,990.
8,990. Then this one here is the
67,990 ma'am. Less 3,064.
one is siya ang S25 plus
Plus
67,
67 less 3,064 na.
less 7,000, so is 63,000. And this one here
S25 Ultra.
S25 Ultra, it's
256 from 84,990, 76,990 na lang.
84,990, and then discount is ilan?
8,000. 76,990.
76,990. Okay, so I guess I have to go the same thing as yours, honey. This one, the S regular, S25 regular.